Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Huawei smartphone to your OnePlus Nord, for the first you have to get application to transfer data. And I think that we can use the application name CLONEit. So go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here CLONEit. Get this application. On the Huawei smartphone, of course, you have to do the same. And when you got it, you can open it on both devices. Accept all of the permission right here. Click sender on Huawei. Okay, never mind, we have to open it one more time. Click sender and receiver on your Nord. Click search again. Right now they are looking for each other, so we have to wait. Click on the Android tray icon and we can connect in two ways. We can scan this code, but also we can input the password manually. So pick your way and I'm going to scan the code. Accept the request on Huawei. And right now, if you want to send all of the data, you have to click on all of these icons and then just tap start. But if you want to get some details, you have to go below. And I'm going to show you how it works on the music. So I pick up these two songs from the Post Malone, click start, okay. And as you can see, it's finished. Right now we can check where we can find the files. So we'll go for the file manager and let's go for the downloads, I think, or the audio. And yeah, in the audio we got the two songs that we sent from the Huawei smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.